Alright, I'm gonna go check out this other tree up here that looks like it got snapped in half. Look at that. Wow. And he was telling me that it was an F2. It's just strength of winds that came through here. I don't know what the difference is and all that are. I know the strengths vary, but wow, look at that tree, man. Is that two? There's two trees that got snapped in half. I guess that generator over there is gone. I don't know if they got their power from. You got a generator just in case or what? Wow. This is just amazing. Something else. Takes a little picture of Mother Nature. Crazy. There's another one over there I'm going to go check out.